to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys an idea that I did in my bathroom to get rid of the bathroom clutter and to also help me with the bathroom bottles that we have that are kind of hard to dispense whenever our hands are wet. I shared this idea on my blog a while ago, some years back, and so I basically just took the pictures and I'm going to talk you through them on this video, on the video right now. I'm going to talk through the pictures to let you guys know the ideas. So instead of actually having a video, I'm just going to take those pictures that I took from my blog and I'm going to talk you through how I created this organizational system in my bathroom to organize the products in our bathroom. Now, when I posted this on my blog a long time ago, and I posted on Home Talk as well, which is a blog site where you can put your blog posts on. A lot of people had comments about why do I have so many products or why is there so much clutter. And let me tell you guys, my family, I have three, it's me and two other daughters and I have a husband. We all have different hair types, we all have curly hair, we all have different types of things, and so not one product works for us. And I know some of you guys might say, okay, you can just have one body wash, one hair thing, but that doesn't work in my family. We all have different hair types, we all have different skin. My skin is oily, my husband's skin is dry, so we use different products in the bathroom or in the shower, so there is going to be a lot of products that you will see in here. So that is why there are so many products, because everybody in the family uses different types of products. So before I hear all the comments saying, oh my god, that is too much stuff, yes it is, but that's what works for my family. So, but this is a video of me sharing with you guys how I took all the clutter in my bathroom and kind of made it look more organized and easy to dispense while you're in the shower. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it gives you some organizational ideas on also how to repurpose some bottles and to make things a little bit less cluttered and hectic in the shower.
So this is the bathroom clutter that I have in my bathroom. As you can see, we have different face washes, and I have my feminine wash, and I have a Pantene conditioner and a L'Oreal conditioner, depending on if I have my hair curly or straight is what I use for my hair. And then we also have different body washes as well. So to make the contents of these bottles easier to dispense and also to make the bathroom look a little less cluttered and more unified, I'm going to repurpose a bunch of different soft soap, hand soap bottles that I have. That I told you I love purchasing this hand soap because I make my foam soap out of this hand soap in another foam soap bottle. So to label my bottles, I'm going to use my label maker, and I'm going to use the white plastic label tape instead of the white paper label tape because it will hold up better in the shower with the water and the heat. So this is how the bottles look with the labels in the front, and as you can see, I have made sure that every bottle had a different color handle so that eventually I won't have to look at the labels. I will kind of know what's in what content is in each bottle by the color of the handles. So to have all my bottles fit on the shower rack, I had to line them up in this way. So what I did was I took the initials of whatever was in the contents and made a label for them and put them on the side. But if for whatever reason I don't remember what the initials stand for, I can always pull the bottles out and see its full name and full name of the contents of what's in it in the front. So this is how the bottles looked all lined up on my shower rack, and it looked so much more organized and so much less cluttered than what I had before. And also having these handles make it so much easier to get the contents out, especially when my hands are wet in the shower.
So that is how I took all the bottles in my shower and made it look a little bit more organized and made it a little bit more easier to dispense while we're in the shower instead of having all those bottles. Now a lot of people, when I did post this, they said, oh well what do you do? Then you just have one bottle and you have an extra bottle that you have to store later because not all of the bottle will fit in that. Well, I coupon, so I have an area where I store extra things that I coupon anyway. So to have the bottles, when I pour it into the little bottles and have that extra bottle lying around, it's not too much clutter because it's going to be in my stockpile anyway. So it doesn't take up space anyway that I already have. But for me, I wanted to make things easier in the shower and look a little bit more organized and a little bit more clean when I get in the shower. And I like the way the system looks. It just looks so uniform and so organized, and it's just easier to clean because I don't have a bunch of bottles, and it's easier to dispense whenever I'm in the shower. And a lot of people were asking, saying that this was a good idea when I had it on the blog post, that this was a good idea, but that they couldn't see it because they take off their glasses. I understand that it's smaller, but for me, that's what works in my family. And kind of like once I use it so many times, I kind of know the color of the bottles, of the dispenser lid, so I know which product is which. Now for those who don't see in the shower because they take off their glasses, you might want to kind of memorize maybe the bottle, the dispenser colors, and that can help you. But for me, this works for me because I don't wear glasses and my husband doesn't wear glasses, so this idea works for me. But if any of you guys have an idea of how to make the words a little bit bigger or make it easier for someone to see who doesn't wear who wears glasses, please leave a comment down below and let me know how you would take this system and make it more visible and more easier for people who wear glasses, who take it off in the shower, so that they know which product is which. And I would love your idea, so that way when my subscribers, if they're reading this, if they wear glasses and they can't see in the shower, it will help them. So let me know your comments on how you would take this organization idea and make it better. You can also use bigger bottles, but I was just trying to repurpose what I had at home. So for a lot of people that don't have a stockpile like I do and want to use just one bottle, you can purchase bigger bottles that have the little dispensers at stores. But you know, I'm about saving money and I don't like wasting things either, so I wanted to repurpose those soft soap bottles that I had in another way, because I use the soft soap bottles, like I told you guys before, to make foam soap. So this was a way for me to save a buck. This was a way for me to reuse my bottles and make things organized and look more pretty in my bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you guys some ideas on how to organize your bathroom. And again, if you have any comments or anything that you can add to this organizational system, leave it down below so that I can read it and my subscribers can read it as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.